Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
एक मिनट सुनो। Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
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 Good morning, Divya ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Beta, it was mentioned on the group very clearly that only girls will be joining this meeting. So, boys, you can have a free period at this time. You can leave. I mentioned on the group also girls join. Only girls are supposed to join this thing today. So, all the boys, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class. As of now, please leave.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
God
ma'am.
bless
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
You got a free period. Boys, take rest. You have a class. Let me see. Only girls I want here. Good morning, Surbhi ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
This Priyal Gangwar B is a boy.
हाँ,
So
B
we
is
are
a
not
boy.
admitting him. Chirag Sharma, please leave. I mentioned on the group also that only girls will come. So when we are not admitting these children, now they'll go and write on the group. Okay, girls, how many of you are there? Let's see. Good morning, everybody.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
morning,
Ma'am.
If you can see on the screen, who is this girl? Have you ever heard about her?
Yes, ma'am.
Malala? What do you know about her? What do you know?
She is a Pakistani.
Pakistani. Okay. What else you know about her?
Ma'am, she fought for girls' education and then she was shot because of that.
Yes. So, did she lose hope?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Are you aware of the recent UP government has launched something to give more power to the girls and the women? What is that mission called as?
Ma'am, the one which under which the rapists are, I think.
Government. Yogi government has just launched something. Do you know about it? Mission Shakti? No?
Yes, ma'am, under which the rapists are punished.
That also, there are many other things. People who are involved in e-teaching, their posters to be put on public places, public shaming them, all these kind of things. I hope no boys are there, ma'am. Survi, ma'am. Let's just check once. Priya, Snehal, Surbin, Jeeva, nobody is there, no? Fine. Now, girls, you can speak out. Speak out how safe do you people feel while going out at night or moving out late evenings? Do you feel safe enough?
No, ma'am.
No, you don't feel safe. So we are going to discuss about this only. Ma'am is also here.
Yes, ma'am.
Surbhi.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
So we are all there, beta. You can always speak out. We'll tell you what else, other things you can share with us. There are no boys here. I'll be admitting only girls. I'll take care of this. Speak out, girls. Why don't you feel safe? Okay, if you are so scared, do you know about the helpline number for women in UP? Does anybody know the women helpline number in Uttar Pradesh? Nobody knows?
Ma'am,
you have
1090 is it?
Let's talk about this. Do you have mobiles? Do you carry mobile when you go out?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are not aware which are given to us. There is a woman helpline number. Just now one girl gave us that number. Very good. Who was it?
Ma'am Lavanya.
Yes. It is woman helpline number. What is the number? Please learn it, everybody. What is that number?
1090 and 102.
1090 basically is women helpline. I'll tell you about 92. That is a little different. Okay, 1090. 1090, the tagline says, don't suffer in silence. You too have a right to live in dignity. Okay. What is the basic motto of this 1090 helpline number? That don't suffer in silence. That if somebody is suffering, they should not be quiet. There have been many incidents where if the girls are not reporting, later they have to suffer. A lot of things become worst when a time passes. So what we need to do is, first of all, everybody should remember the women helpline number. Anywhere you feel you are not feeling comfortable, you are anticipating something which is not safe or something good which is not going around you, you should immediately call up. What is the number?
1090.
1090.
So everybody should remember this number. Yes, Surbi ma'am. Anything
Yes,
you would
ma'am.
share with?
Mostly girls, where do you find to be exploited? Tell me, which are the places where you find yourself to be unsafe mostly? Yes, girls, tell me. What are those places where you find yourself to be unsafe? I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me some of the places where you find to be more unsafe. Tell me. Can you tell me? Where do you find yourself to be more unsafe?
Ma'am,
Yes?
when we are outside alone, then
Okay. Alone is where? Matlab, where? In your streets, on roads, where?
ma'am on streets.
On
road.
Second,
on
beta,
streets
wait.
and road.
Sorry to
yes.
interrupt you, beta. Put your video on when you speak and take screenshot. One of you, two of you, please keep taking screenshots of all the students. This recording with screenshots has to go to the UP government. So whoever speaks, who's going to take the responsibility of screenshots? Gauri is speaking. Please switch on your
Yes,
cameras.
ma'am. Yes,
Go on.
ma'am.
Who's
Come on,
going to
share
take
your
the screenshots? Ria,
Ma'am,
Ria, are you
can
there?
I?
Who is
Any
taking
one of
this
you can do that.
responsibility?
Ma'am, me,
Please do
Janvi.
it. Okay, Janvi, do it and then
Janvi.
send the
Janvi,
screenshots
put it
to
up.
me. Okay, then
Okay,
send the
ma'am.
Ma'am,
screenshots.
what
to us.
about others? They should also keep their screen on, video on. Others
Ha,
also.
beta. Only then she'll be able to take screenshots, na? If you put on
Okay.
your videos, then only she'll be able to take.
Everyone should do that. Everyone should do that. Okay.
Boys
Keep
are
your videos on.
crazy. I told them it is only for girls. I wrote on the group also. Still, they are waiting. Let them do.
They might be curious of what the session could
Yes,
be
exactly,
without them.
exactly. I
Okay,
clearly
everyone, it's
messaged.
Tanvi, Snehal, beta. Keep your video on so that now Gauri, once she starts speaking, and everyone's video. And now
Yes,
this is the
ma'am.
screenshot which is required. Okay,
Ha, beta. And please keep taking screenshots so that even if they don't speak, take a screenshot. Okay?
Start.
Start,
Gauri,
beta.
start, beta.
Ma'am, we feel unsafe on the streets when we are walking alone.
Okay. Streets nearby your house?
Ma'am, not exactly.
Okay. Not exactly. Okay. Once you are in, that means once you are at a place which is not known to you, in the streets which are not known to you. Okay. Okay. What about the roads? Busy roads. What about the market? Okay, tell me. Market. There are number of people are there in the market. So that's not the place for you to be unsafe. What do you think about that? What usually happens with girls there in congested and in crowded places, especially markets and all? Do you feel unsafe there? There are so many people around you.
No, ma'am, not there.
Not there. Others? Zeba, Snehal, Avika, when many more are there. Come on, tell me. Do you think their males, they take the advantage? They try to touch you? Taking the advantage of this crowd? The crowd present there in market and all? Come on, Avika. Yes,
No, ma'am, I don't think so.
okay, that is only on the streets. Huh? You feel
Like
unsafe.
when you are alone and then
Acha, okay.
I
When
think
when number of people are there on the road, then on the road or in the market, then you feel safe. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anybody else who has a different point of view about it?
Ma'am, I do. It's not
Yes,
the
ma'am,
matter of number of people you are around. They'll do it anyway.
Yes, ma'am, I also agree with Lavanya.
Okay, okay. Lavanya,
It's a
just try to
psychology
speak
of a
about that.
person. Na? That is what you're trying to say. Psychology of a
Lavanya.
person depends.
Okay, but there are instances where these males try to touch you, and they take the advantages of course, once you ride in the buses, trains, or that's about the local buses which are overcrowded, or in the marketplace where there is a lot of crowd.
They'll try their best to do things.
Okay, come on, Lavanya, try to clear it.
Ma'am, it's like mostly the boys, and no, we can't even name the age group because it's not just the boys who are teenagers. They are like of every age group, no matter old or whatever
Yes.
it
So
is.
age
They
is
be
not the
like commenting,
criteria.
oh
Everybody.
yeah, and then
Okay, so that means they don't even hesitate to comment you, to pass remarks even in the crowded places.
no, ma'am,
No,
they be
ma'am.
like more confidence and they be like more confident as if no one is seeing them.
Yes, so they take advantage of those places. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
It is really a matter, beta, to worry. Because when we talk about the National Crime Reporting Bureau, about 3.6 lakh cases of crime against women were registered. And when we talk about 2017-18, the maximum cases were in UP alone. And this was a time when many cases were not even registered. Even if the person who's suffering goes to a police station, easily the complaint is not registered. Still, we had the maximum number of cases being registered in UP itself when we talk about the entire India. So no doubt, this is a matter of concern. And our chief minister is trying her best to do something. Despite that, you see there is one new case every day which takes up the highlights. We had Hathras, then there was one more recently in Punjab. So nothing stopping as such, despite all the helpline numbers. Where is the problem? Hmm? What do you feel, girls? We had death penalty for Nirbhaya convicts, but did that help out? Have the cases stopped?
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
where is the problem? Where is the problem?
The mentality of the people
Ma'am,
don't
a
change.
social mentality.
I
Ma'am, like they
think
think
it's
girls are
that
inferior.
Hmm.
Inferior, or they cannot, they
Ma'am, I
hesitate to
think,
voice their concern, or they
ma'am,
hesitate, they feel ashamed. Although they might be exploited, they might be molested, but they don't speak about themselves.
Exactly.
Okay,
I read
that's
recently in the news, ma'am, last week that there was a lady, she was locked in a toilet for
that's
about
what.
1.5
Have you
years
heard
by
about
her
it?
husband.
Have you heard about you? Have you heard
She,
about that?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and the
Okay.
disgusting part is she had a grown-up daughter at home also who did not revolt for this.
Hmm.
There is the problem. Nobody stands up better. There the problems start. The first minute you feel something unsafe, the first minute you feel something uncomfortable, it's always said that women always have a sixth sense. We people can make out things earlier compared to men, but we ignore them. That is the reason if you read about all the acid attack victims, if you read about them, you will find that they had been ignoring that individual for 4 months, 6 months, or even years. And then a time comes when we have these cases of acid attack, all these kind of things. So ignoring is one thing which should never be done. Immediately take into confidence your parents. Ishanvi, Kavya, Snehal, please switch on your cameras so that Janvi can take screenshots. Ria, Saloni, Samira, please on your cameras. Yes, dear. Thank you so much. Please on. Janvi, are you taking screenshots?
Yes, ma'am.
Please take screenshots of all. Anshika, Vedanshi, Divya Singh, please carry on, bitches.
Okay, according to you, how many of the girls they approach police to take help? Police is there at every nook and corner. But what happens? Have you, on a personal level, can somebody relate any incident where you have gone to seek help from police in case you felt unsafe or somebody past remarked, or somebody tried to take advantage of you? Have you ever done that? Have you ever done that? Any one of you? Right now you're confined in your homes, but earlier once you went for the tuitions and all.
It is simply that you try to leave the place immediately and
Is or
never
not?
report it. Never
Haven't you come
report it to
across
parents.
haven't you come across the comments of the boys? Haven't you come across this eve teasing and all? I think each one of you would have come across this. Each one of you. But you did not.
Yes, ma'am.
You did
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
Yes, you did not pay attention to it, or you did not bother for it and moved ahead. Is it or not? Yes, you're grown up girls, you're in 10th standard now. So you would have come across such kind of things. But mostly we avoid. So what is the first thing? You don't need have to avoid. Because the more you avoid, the more they get what? What? Provoked to do. Or rather motivated rather. That they get motivated to continue with their yes.
Be very careful. Be very careful even about your friends. These days,
Yes.
even relatives. These days, even relatives. You
Yes.
must have come across so many cases where a distant relative was involved. Neighbors were involved. Friends were involved. And in the society, it takes it in a different way. Like if you come across, I don't know how many of you are seeing what is happening in the Hathras case now. It is being said that the girl was talking to that boy on phone. She was in touch with him. 140 calls were made in the last 2 months.
That means the boy
But
was known to the girl. That
yes,
means the boy was known.
he was known. He was known. He was a friend. So now how is the society taking it? That the girl was wrong. She was friendly to the boy. But tell me, in a country where we promote co-ed education, is it justified? Is it justified? Just because that boy was a friend, does he have the right to rape a girl?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Was the
No,
girl
ma'am.
responsible?
No, ma'am.
According
No,
to
ma'am.
you, responsible? Was the girl
This is an
responsible?
entire, yes, this is an entire twist in
No, ma'am.
Hathras case,
Huh?
where they are
Was the
saying
girl
ki no, it
responsible?
was not.
It was not.
See,
And
this
now
is
they
what
have all the
happens.
grounds to blame whom? The girl.
Yes, they are saying 140 calls were there in the last 2 months, so they can be friends. But this will not justify, no? That means no girl should have any boy as a friend. You cannot even talk to boys.
Don't you think at the end of the day only the girls are being made responsible for everything? They are being targeted. Don't you feel so?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
happening or not? For no reason, they are being targeted by everyone, especially the males. They could be at fault. They could be the people, those who are involved, but at the end, it is the girl. The girl and her family who is being targeted, who is being defamed. And that's the reason most of the time the girls prefer to keep quiet for the sake of the family.
There was a case last year, girls, if you've heard about in Agra. A girl was burnt alive. Did you read about it last year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And who did it? Any idea? The real first cousin, the Chacha's son. Imagine, paternal uncle's son, the real Chacha's son. He was trying to woo her. She did not accept because she felt he's my cousin. He got so bugged off that one fine day he put petrol on her. She was coming back from her school and he burned her alive. Now see, where are we safe? First cousin, he was real Chacha's son. And this is what happened. She was burned alive in Agra.
Was the
And he
girl
was the
responsible here? Was the girl responsible here? Come on, girls, tell me. Was the girl
No,
responsible
ma'am.
here? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
There was
There was a
Let us
very
see
little
what
mistake of the girl.
she should have reported once it all started. It did not start in a day.
She should have reported to her
Yes,
parents
she
and
should
the
have
police.
told. She should have reported it to her parents. And the matters would not have what worsened the way it had early, the later stage. Maybe
exactly,
she kept quiet.
Dida.
She
Exactly.
kept quiet. She kept quiet for the sake of the
Exactly.
family.
This is what I wanted to say, what Surbhi ma'am is saying. Keeping quiet is no solution in such cases.
She was at fault actually. She waited for that moment to happen in her life. That means the boy would have been taking advantage because they were a family. It was a complete fault on the side of the girl. She kept quiet. She kept tolerating. She did not have the courage, or she cared for the family's reputation. Come on, what is the main reason according to you?
Family's
Ma'am,
reputation.
Huh?
Family.
She wanted to save the family. And what happened? Could she save the family at the end?
No, ma'am.
Could she save herself? What happened?
No, ma'am.
And the boy would have been scot-free. Sure, the boy would have been scot-free. This is what happens.
But here you'll have to actually be free with this with your mothers, especially.
Especially mothers and
Yes.
parents, father, mother, whosoever you are close
Yes.
to. Don't
Whoever
hesitate.
you are.
Don't hesitate. See, remember that your parents have also gone through the same phase. Remember that. Me or Divya ma'am, we had been young like you people once upon a time. And this is not a new thing in the society. It has been, and it will continue as long as we keep quiet. So we also became the victims. Everyone. It is something common, and it was earlier also. But now we have.
Somewhere we need to change also the thought process of people in villages also, beta. If you come across people like maids and all,
Yes.
you need to motivate them, because what happens is people who are illiterate, if their daughter comes and complains this, the only thing they have is they'll confine their daughters to home. No,
Yes.
don't go out. This may happen, that may happen.
Does it happen or not? It happens.
Yes.
It happens. Or parents they try to shut the girl inside the house.
Yes. They do not take any action. They say, okay, few days don't go for coaching. If there's a
Don't go.
case of stalking or something, a girl is complaining, the parent will say, okay, Change your way. Don't go from that road, or don't go only for
What
few
happened?
days.
They'll stop you from going to the tuitions. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What
Yes,
about the?
ma'am.
Do you ever get the help from boys in such cases? There are some. We cannot categorize. We cannot say that all the boys are like that. All the males are like that. There are some, a few, those who are there to take care of the girls' dignity, those who stand by the girls. Is it or not? And if you feel confident enough, you can talk to them also. Is it or not? We cannot be
Yes,
doubtful. We
ma'am.
cannot be suspicious of
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am. You need to keep yourself aware. You need to have a helpline number. You've got those sprays now, chili sprays and pepper sprays and all those things. You should carry them when you go for your coachings. You should always carry them.
Monica, what about you? You're keeping very quiet. Come on, Monica, speak something about it.
Things happen, but nothing happened to me.
Acha, see, this is another problem.
I regret
Another
that I was
problem in
quiet.
the society. I am safe, so I hardly bother what is happening to the other one. That is again the main problem, beta. How could you see somebody being suffering and you are mom, you're not responding to it? Nothing has happened with me, so I will not speak about others. I would ignore. I'll be just indifferent to what is happening with others. That is again the problem of our society. If you see somebody being suffering, raise your voice. Help each other.
Yes, at times it happens. If there are 3 or 4 friends together, one lands up in trouble, the other 3 will go from that place. Why should we get into this?
And
Why
don't
should
you
we?
think if 3 or 4 are together at that time, I think the boys will think twice.
Exactly. And you see in India, people have a lot of time. So if there are 2, 3 girls together on the road, if you start shouting or even if you start speaking loudly, you'll have a big crowd around you immediately. Even if they are the ones who would later be involved in eve teasing, that time all of them will try to show themselves as heroes. So
Yes,
they will be.
they'll be there for you. Okay, so you need to talk. You need to observe what is happening around you. You could be the victim one day. Who knows? So why to
Be
wait
very
for that
careful.
to happen?
Once you travel in Ola's children, there have been incidents recently where once you sit in Ola, you put on your earphones, you're busy on a mobile, and you don't even know where the guy is going. Okay? Or is he conveying something to somebody? So one more thing which you need to understand is when you are traveling in such kind of vehicles like Olas and all these taxis, please be alert. Please be alert. Keep questioning him. Where are you going? You've got a GPS, all of you. Where are you going? Why have you taken this left turn? Immediately SMS, immediately call if you feel anything. Don't wait for things to get worse. Normally, few incidents happened recently in Gurgaon and Delhi, where girls, they put on the earphones once they sat into Ola and then they were least bothered. What is happening? Where is the person going? And then they landed up at an isolated place where he had already messaged a few of his friends to reach. And then again, the same sexual assault cases. So we cannot be careless. We know when we are traveling in such kind of public vehicles or in a taxi or even in an auto or something, don't just be involved in your mobile. Just don't put on your earphones and forget about the world around you. This is the recent trend which has started. Be very careful about certain things when you're traveling. Even if you don't know the place, keep questioning him. Show him that you are talking to somebody on the phone. Okay, Papa, I have reached here. I am here. I am there.
There is one app
This is
also for their security, for their safety. What is that, Ria? Do you know about that app? Where
yes.
numbers are there. There is one app also. Do you know about this app? There is one app
Ma'am,
also. You
Ma'am,
can,
I think it's 211 India or something like that.
there is, and where you have your numbers, where you have 2 numbers. It could be of your parents, and then that means they get to know where about your whereabouts, something like that. I'm not very sure about it, but there is certain kind of app also.
Yes. Even in mobile, I think there is a system where you have 3 numbers. If you
3
just
numbers.
press one number, automatically the message goes to 3 numbers that you have feeded. It could be a local police station number, your parents' number, anybody. You just have to press one button and then the message reaches those three people that you have some problem. So it is, you need to be aware of these things. You need to find out. We just cannot keep ignoring till we get to know that, oh, something happened with somebody. Find out about these things, be more aware, more alert, make others alert around you. Be careful of how relatives deal with you, how your friends who are of the opposite gender, they take you. Be careful about these things, okay? What else, children? Anything else you would like to share?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ria.
Ma'am, please take Ishanvi in the meeting. She left by
Who?
mistake.
Acha, Divya ma'am made me. Okay, so anybody else who wants to share something? Pallavi Yadav, Vedanshi, Janvi, Kavya, so many are there. Divya Singh.
You can simply give your suggestions, okay? What
Okay,
you
what
would
should be
say.
done? What should be done? Some practical solutions which can be done easily.
Boys should be raised properly. Girls, should be, but boys should also be raised. Their fragile masculinity is such a big issue nowadays. They be like, we are the prior ones. We'll be still now. It's the mentality of many boys.
And see, Lavanya, you cannot change because our Indian society is being that is deep rooted in their psyche, and of course that will take years. Okay, that will take years. Okay, so but
Ma'am, boys should also have counseling sessions like we girls have.
Why not girls be conscious enough of themselves? Okay, we cannot be. Of course, it is being often said, it is often claimed that it is the boys whose mentality will need to be changed. They need to become, they need to they need to be taught to respect other gender right from their homes. Fine. But still, if the girls will keep quiet, if the girls will not raise their voice, if the girls will not do that, will not speak, that will continue.
Actually, for years now, the boys have become accustomed to this. Nobody raises voice. They know she'll go home, she'll cry for a few hours.
Yes.
She's not going to share it with her parents. And that is how the guts has increased. And one more thing, girls, why don't you people opt for some self-safety training sessions? Taekwondo, whatever, means something, karate. Make yourself physically strong. You cannot have a policeman everywhere, no?
Yes, you cannot have.
Apart from willpower, you need to have physical strength as well. Because when you have physical strength, you'll be able to face people.
And that is what the boys take advantage of. They know it very well. They are physically strong. Yes, and other than that, they know it very well that the girls will not speak. Do you know that? They have this mentality. That the girls will not speak. They will keep suffering. That is what has to be changed. Okay,
right, the first time you feel somebody is trying to take an advantage, somebody is trying. It's not about the world, beta. It is at home itself. At home also, don't make yourself taken for granted, whether it is now or in the later years to come. Don't make yourself taken for granted, because once you started, it's going to be entire life of yours.
And
don't make yourself for granted.
You're quite aware of the bad touch, good touch. You can easily make out. As Divya ma'am said, that we females have that, we have the intuition. We can easily make out. Our sixth sense is very strong. We could easily make out from the eyes the intention of the other one. And that is very strong in us. So we cannot avoid it. Don't avoid that.
So we have just a few minutes left. Basically, before Surbhi ma'am concludes, beta, I would say start from now, today itself. Start raising your voice against even small things at home. Why am I only supposed to fill the bottles in the fridge? Why not Bhaiya?
Yes.
Why am I supposed to do this? Why not my brother? This is how you learn to fight for your rights, and you will not be taken for granted later in your life. Also, you'll have many new relations coming up. So there also, if you start now, If you'll behave like this in a manner that everybody can empower you and say this, and you're not raising your voice. Like at home, I've seen most of the brothers, sometimes in some families, they come home, give me water. Why are you supposed to give water? He can take it himself.
They don't go. They expect everything to be served to them by the mother,
Equal
by their
division.
mother or by
Yes.
sister. And this, I think,
Equal
many of you
division.
would have, many would have experienced that. This is something very general, very common in our homes, in Indian homes.
Girls are supposed to come home by 7:30. Then why not boys?
Why not
They
boys?
should
Why
also
can't,
come home.
why can't say it's one of the tagline of one of the scooty also. Why can't girls have some fun? Why?
Yes.
Only boys should have all the fun. Zeba, understood? Zeba, do you agree with
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
You also deserve all the fun. You also deserve all the fun. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Why
Yes,
you should
ma'am.
sacrifice? Why you should sacrifice? And that is what is the equality which is required from the very beginning. And if you're not being given equal status, raise your voice. Start from your home.
Yes. Yes.
Question your mother, question your father, so that they
Yes.
also understand it. Because we don't question. And everybody in the
Exactly.
house also takes for granted. So start
See, the
questioning.
standards should be the same. If it is 8 o'clock, then it should be 8 o'clock for you as well as for your brothers. If it is 9
Question your
o'clock,
parents.
then it should be for you and your brothers. But be strong. As ma'am said, learn to speak out. Okay? Get the guts to question. If you're not able to do it in your family, you'll never be able to do it when you go out in the society.
Anywhere else. Yeah, anywhere else. Roshni, understood? Roshni?
Janvi, how many screenshots have been done, beta?
Ma'am, 6 to 7.
Only?
Yes,
Arey,
ma'am.
beta, why? Who is this? Monica, is this done? Janvi is done. Who is this? Zeba?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have
Every girl has came in the screenshot.
Has come.
only
I
screen 6 to 7, but there are so many participants.
Ma'am, everyone I took.
Okay, 1 second, last 1 minute we have. Please switch on your cameras for 1 minute, all of you, all the participants. Hurry up. Janvi, take the screenshots now. Hurry up, children. Kumkum, Kavya. Please switch on your cameras for last 1 minute. We just have 1 minute now. Hurry up. Janvi, take the screenshots. Hurry up. Who is this? Bhavleen.
Bhavleen, switch on your video, beta. Bhavleen, you're not seen at all. You're not interested in this topic today, beta.
I don't think she's there also.
She's
Yeshi.
not there. She's not there, I think. She's not
Yeshi
responding.
and Kumkum. Yeshi
Janvi.
and Kumkum. Yes.
Kumkum, on a video.
Janvi, take the screenshots. Very good, girls. Thank you so much. Are we done, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody's is taken?
Ma'am, except Bhavleen, she didn't open the camera.
That's
no,
okay.
she
Let's
hasn't.
leave
She's not
Bhavleen. Let's leave
responding at all.
Bhavleen. Okay,
Okay,
thank you,
ma'am.
Sudhvi ma'am. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you, girls. You can leave the meeting.
Thank you,
Beta.
girls.
God bless you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
What you have spoken about. Remember that. Okay.